Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix your car in Erlc, updated. Start by parking safely and securing the scene with cones or flares, then disconnect the battery to avoid sparks. Inspect tires, engine bay, and fuel lines methodically, noting sounds and leaks. Prioritize easy fixes like replacing fuses, tightening hoses, or changing a flat tire, and only attempt complex repairs when you have parts and clear instructions. In this video, I will explain how to fix your car in Erlc, updated. Begin with basic checks. Test lights, listen for unusual noises, and verify fluid levels. For electrical issues, inspect fuses and connectors, and for fuel or coolant leaks, use temporary patches until proper parts arrive. For tire problems, use jack stands, follow the star pattern when tightening, and carry a repair kit for roadside versatility and safety before driving short distances. In this video, I will help how to fix your car in Erlc, updated. Assemble a compact toolkit tailored to common Erlc scenarios, including a jack, lug wrench, and jumper cables. Stash consumables such as oil, coolant, spare fuses, and bulbs for quick swaps. Organize parts in labeled containers so you can find hoses, clamps, or seals fast. Regularly inspect your kit and replenish items after use to stay prepared for real-time repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.